Jeremy was scared. You're like, oh shit.
I didn't give a fuck.
Where's Jeremy at? Is he already up front?
Jeremy, stay with us. Hey, Jeremy, really? Please.
Jeremy, please stay with us. Shit, I want to put my glasses in my hands.
They all got like,
I know.
that was, we just busted something up.
Oh man, look at the stars.
Where the fuck is Jeremy going? He was hiding over there.
Shine your light over there. Shine your light over there.
Daniel threw a stick.
Did you throw a stick, Daniel?
Stop throwing rocks, Daniel. I saw you.
You saw me not throw shit.
I saw you.
Shine your light.
I saw you. Stop throwing dirt.
You guys throwing shit. Stop throwing shit.
Jeremy, come back.
Hey, Jeremy, stay with us.
Jeremy, come back. Seriously.
Jeremy, are you really a goat? As long as we keep it together.
I'm staying in the middle so that you guys get eaten first.
Dude, I'm not a rich.
Is that...
You're a person.
next to it. You record it.
We should drive the cars up here.
Huh, we can. I don't think Bedelio's car can make it.
Hey, Bedelio's car can make it.
What?
Your car can make it up here.
Yeah,
We can drive up here. I don't think it'd be as fun though.
No.
We definitely busted something up.
Oh shit, dude! The only one that would be safe is Mark.
What a big, like, the...
And Jeremy.
What a big, like... And Frank. Like,
And Frank. And then we'll all be like, oh,
like a Korean...
You think they really say me drinking Dos Equis?
Jeremy, come back.
Jeremy, stay with us, really.
You see a mountain lion move.
I will pretend to be a man.
Turns him out. Hey, you guys know this is how horror movies start.
Oh man.
Wait,
I know, I'm the one carrying the freaking beer.
I would really appreciate it if you don't point that light in my face.
Jeremy, get the hell over here.
Come walk with us.
Wait, guys.
Man, he looks like a sketcy figure.
yeah, I'm with you on that. Jeremy,
Hey, let's go to the tree.
No, fuck the trees. We're going out over here.
No, it goes straight. It goes straight through here and back to the thing.
Oh man, I feel like,
Hey, have you seen a bunch of people up here like that before?
Yeah, there's a church up here. There's a Korean church.
Oh really?
Yeah, we came up here and we got sodas from them one time.
Nice.
No, it's not.
They left in a hurry though.
Shit, that's a cold breeze.
Yeah, it was.
Oh, it's bad, dude.
I want to be twice as fun.
I know.
Yeah, it would, because like, you could use your freaking
Who wants the beer?
Oh, look, now it got warm again. Oh, it got cold. Oh, it got warm.
You guys suck.
It got warm. Did you feel that? It got warm.
Warm now?
You know when it gets cold, that means like there's a ghost passing through?
I don't know.
get over here.
Please, stay with us. Oh, shit, it got cold.
Hey, is there a car coming?
No, I'm not going to turn the light off. I want the light on them.
Come on, Mom, we're here anyways.
What is like speeding up here and shit?
I'm just like, I didn't
Boy, you better fight like hell. Shit.
I said like if a car comes, run to
2,
the right
4,
side, don't run
6,
to the left. Stay together.
8, 10. Okay, we're still
Hey, we
10.
just learned a bunch of shit in karate class, right?
Oh, yeah, we did.
We didn't know how to stop cars. Where the fuck is Jeremy go?
He's right there. I see him still. He's standing.
Please. Jeremy's the man without fear. I feel safer if he was like closer to us.
Yeah.
Wait, everyone just stop and like ask Jeremy.
Jeremy, come back. Jeremy, come back.
Look, it's barbed wire.
Jeremy, come back. Really?
Jeremy, can you just please come back?
Yeah, come on, Jeremy.
Hey, you know what's going to be out when the battery goes out?
Battery's not going to go out. Shut the hell up. Don't think that.
It got warm again.
Yeah, I did. Yeah, I did.
That's a big ass monster. Okay, when we get up here a little further, once we get up on the top of the hill and turn, there's going to be a bee colony. So what we're going to have to do is stay to the right side. So we don't fuck with the bees.
Did you hear that, Jeremy?
Jeremy, hold on. There's a beehive.
Like, seriously.
Come back.
Hey, this is how it starts. We just lost and then we yelling, yeah, do it.
And then we hear like a shrieking scream. No, shut up.
Hey, someone's screaming like a bitch.
I'm a pussy.
got warm again.
You want to see me freak everybody out?
Go for it.
Oh,
Jeremy, come back!
Oh, that was funny shit right there. Dude, that was about meeting! Group meeting!
Jeremy, come back!
Come back!
Smart.
We have group meeting already?
Are you okay?
Yeah, I was just scaring everybody.
6, 7, 8, 9.
10. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10.
Jeremy, okay.
Jeremy, can you please not, like, stay away from
Yeah. Just stay close.
That was mean.
It was funny though.
It was funny.
Oh, look that far.
Scared us.
If you guys are drunk, I don't know, like...
He's out of it. He's out of it.
Hey, he's just like, whatever.
Alex is like,
What?
you should go throw up.
Something's eating?
No, Alex is straight, man. You're good.
Not good. Alex is by. What are you talking about?
Freaking.
There you are, Jeremy. All right, let's
Jeremy,
go.
Daniel got scared so bad. Why do you want to go back? Come on.
Let's go. Hey, you know what? I'm sorry. Hey, I was just scared. You know what? There was nothing. I did it on purpose to scare you guys to have fun.
I'm going to kick you in the fucking nuts.
Hey, who the fuck is throwing rocks? Seriously. Who was throwing rocks? Yeah, I'll be honest. Who was throwing rocks?
It was either Daniel or Bodelio or someone, because I saw Daniel throw one rock.
Obviously someone. Hey, ask her. I told her. I said, watch me scare these guys.
I have it on tape if you want to hear it.
I hate you guys. Did you really?
Yeah. I've been recording. After October, or after Harvest Festival party.
Yeah, I'm not walking that far either.
No, it's not 10 miles.
I'm walking as far as this Four Loko lets me walk to.
We're like halfway there. Are we? Yeah. Oh, it's not that far.
I feel like I'm going in the army right now.
Nice. Oh no, Army's a lot worse.
This ain't shit, let me tell you. This is nothing.
Army's a lot worse.
I'm not throwing anything. Ooh, what is the cars down there are like getting jacked and shit.
They're not getting jacked as shit.
Hey, who wants to be the one walking up here carrying the beer? Alright then.
I'm carrying a 4 Loko. This is like 4 times from now.
Dude, the tires came through here.
Oh yeah. Where else did they come from? Oh, I remember the first time I met Ray and Andrew and Yusuf. Well, I didn't know Yusuf. There's a car to the right. I went this way, they hit over here, and I was down the hill. I fucking like slid down the hill like halfway. And there was a barbed wire. That was funny. That was so funny. He had to help me out. Good shit.
I guess he likes that.
Hey, Jeremy, don't go too far ahead of us.
Shit, I feel like I'm at Mount Rubidoux.
Mount Rubidoux ain't shit.
I know.
Nah, you would hear that shit. Nah, this fucker's quiet as fuck. We got fire. How you doing, Alex?
Did we lose Alex?
No.
Okay.
He's just walking.
He didn't say anything, so I was like, oh shit.
No, Jeremy's gonna be the last one to die. Fucking survivalist.
Jeremy can be the demon I saw.
He turns around, fuck you guys. Fuck you guys. What the fuck? Hey, what's that deal with this?
I am too.
Alright, you're gonna be the first one to do a zombie, huh?
Where it's abandoned.
Where the fuck did Jimmy go?
Why is the bird out of here?
Oh, I don't know.
Get on the side.
Just stand right here. Just stand right
Dan.
here. I'm gonna put my beer down. They're looking at us. Stare at the back. That's funny shit.
I was like, oh shit, what is there?